Hello everyone, welcome to join Golden International Health Free Education. My name is Mary Huang, Invention Create Golden International Mobile Hub Life Sales. Today we will teach in Golden International Mobile Hub Life Sales Application Knowledge Tactic for yourself protect your own health. The correct modern knowledge, Golden International Daily Actions. Golden International Daily Actions consists of 40 different actions, total of 80 Golden International Daily Actions, original education video courses. About brief introduction, Golden International Mobile Hub Life Sales and Golden International Daily Actions, and participate in to learn and obtain effects and so on. We are put on the following after the teaching video. Please, everyone must watch and read carefully. Now, we will teach one action among Golden International Daily Actions. First, we teach leg action. The two legs step by T-shape, and weight put that's like rate, and then weight shift to that's like a rate. Yes, the two legs switch weight and should do exactly correct, and like the feet is straight down. Yes, and the leg cannot do that way. Okay, must keep it. And two knee cross. Okay, now we can do 2 times about the leg action. Now we will teach hand action. Palm open, middle finger, and 5 finger is like hold the ball, and middle finger put on side pen seam, and another finger hold your leg up, down, up, down, up, down. The shoulder is moved to 4 directions, forward, up, backward, down, forward, up, backward, down. Yes. So we can connect, we can do that for 2 times about the shoulder hand action. Forward, up, back, down. Forward, up, back, down. Very good. Now we connect shoulder, arm action and with leg. Very good. Now we teach in second kind hand action, and the hand also is 5 finger open like a ball, hold ball, and middle finger put on pen same, and another finger catch your leg and smooth up down. And the shoulder do is back, up, forward, down, back, up, forward, down. Back, up, forward, down. Back, up, forward, down. Okay, now we can do 2 times about the shoulder, hand action. Back, up, forward, down. Back, up, forward, down. Good, very good. Now we connect leg and the second kind, shoulder, leg action. Very good. Now we connect hand, shoulder, 2 kind of different, and leg connect together, and make 4 times. And we need count. We choose use English and Hanyu. Somebody asked, why should we use 2 kind of different language to count? Good question, because we want to exercise tracker long, because we need to protect our track, our lung, far away, bronchitis, pandemic, lung disease and lung cancer and many diseases. So we need to choose 2 kind different language to count. So somebody say, excuse me, I cannot speak Hanyu. Doesn't matter. You can use your hometown language. For example, you can choose English and Spanish. Only 2 kind different language to count in order to protect our track lung. Also, we need smiling your face, eyes look straight, and head sink the action, make action correct. Okay, now we do 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3, 4. Very good. Do the action, couple things we need to know. Number 1, the feet touch floor should lightly. Number 2, the feet standing should with T shape. Number 3, the leg raise must be correct. That way. Okay, you cannot do that way or that way. Yes. And you should do forward, up, back, down. It's a 4 direction as a limit, and also it's a back, up, forward, down. Also is a limit. Yes. So finger open, middle finger put on the pen side, and another finger hold your leg up, down, smooth. Okay, now we should do 20 times and choose 2 languages, English and Hanyu, to count. Of course, your eyes look straight, smiling face, head sink, make the action correct. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, feel. 10. Wonderful. But somebody say, excuse me, I cannot read too high. So, doesn't matter. You can use some action instead to begin, and then increase. For example, you started weight still hold that leg. That leg is a big toe, second toe, touch floor. The knee also is crossed. Then switch side. Then couple days later, you got a bit power, you can do that way. Side. Then after a few days, you got a little power more, you can do that way. And finally, absolutely, you can do that way. Yes, that's action, not a complication. Everybody's smarter, absolutely can do right way. Just need time, step by step. Then finally, you got the right way to do correct action. Learn correct knowledge. You must correct knowledge. And at home, you can protect yourself, health, and change it to easy. You can discover far away bronchitis, pandemic, and many diseases. Of course, you really enjoy your wonderful, happy life.